Be honest. Have you ever been fixing a Figma layout and thought, I'll just add one more frame? That moment is where files starts falling apart. Not because you're bad at Figma, not because auto layout is broken, but because adding frames feels like progress. In this video, I'll show you why Figma files gets messier the more you try to fix them, and why most of the time those extra frames are hiding the real problem. It usually starts small. You're trying to fix spacing, or alignment, or resizing, so you add a helper frame. And it works for a moment. That frame gives you local control. The discomfort goes away, so you move on. Every extra frame feels like progress, but it's usually depth. Now imagine this file isn't yours anymore. Another designer opens it. They don't know why these frames exist. They just need to change one thing. So they don't fix the structure. They work around it by adding another frame. That's how structure depth spreads. Each frame adds complexity. Every change gets harder. The file starts to feel fragile, not broken, just untouchable. In teams, this gets expensive. People ungroup hundreds of layers or rebuild things that should have been simple. Here's how this cycle actually breaks. The next time you feel the urge to add another frame, stop and ask yourself one question. Am I solving the layout? Or am I avoiding the layout? If it's the second one, the frame won't help. Messy Figma files aren't caused by bad designers. They're caused by quick fixes that never address the structure. Clarity beats control, and once you see that, you'll stop adding frames just to buy time.